Today we're going to talk about why you should ditch cable and make the switch to fiber. Fiber is the future. That may be a term you've heard, and it's actually the truth. Fiber is the future is now. What is fiber in an internet service provider? It's simply the transmission of data over light. And with this transmission, it allows you to receive symmetrical download and upload speeds. What's symmetrical download and upload speeds mean? Say you're making a video phone call, whether it's a FaceTime call or a video conference call for work. You are uploading your video up to the recipient. That's utilizing your upload speed. Your voice, your video, it's going to them. Now, concurrently, you're also downloading what you're receiving from them. So you're downloading their image back to you. If those download and upload speeds are not symmetrical, you could get some pixelation, some buffering, some spinning, not an overall good experience. So having fiber internet with symmetrical speeds allows a seamless video experience for streaming, for video conferencing, video FaceTime calls, whatever the case may be. Another perk of having a symmetrical download and upload speed is uploading files. If you were to upload a 2 gigabit size file up to the cloud, it could take about maybe 7-10 minutes on a traditional internet service provider connection, where over fiber, that can happen in probably less than 30 seconds. Another reason to switch to fiber is the experience. You're going to have less ping, less jitter, less latency. It's going to be an awesome connection that you will enjoy through and through. Also, there's less outages, there's less service interruptions, so fiber is building a terrific experience for its users. And finally, fiber is the more sustainable solution when compared to cable. Fiber has less of a carbon footprint and overall just uses less electricity and resources to push that fiber signal to you. So now that you know a little bit more about fiber, let's just compare that generally to cable. It's the faster option. It's the more affordable, greener option. Think of cable as that old tube TV you may still have in your home in the corner somewhere. And now think of fiber as the newest 4K flat screen TV. They're both TVs. You can both watch stuff on it, but you're probably going to prefer watching on the 4K TV. That's fiber. It's just better. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a little bit more about fiber versus cable, and I hope it helps you make your decision as you switch to fiber. If you want to see if wired fiber is available in your area, go ahead and click the link below.